Oh, I see Mallory's gonna break that speed record. Do you think he can? I don't know. I don't think he can beat my record. It's possible. Don't be such a downer to mine. Well, whatever he's doing, it looks like he is gonna do it. Go! He should be able to. Well, there he goes. Try to beat your record again. He won't. You could, just don't be such a thinker. Now arriving at the upper station. Time to deliver passengers. Hurry up! I've got a record to beat. What the heck? The gates didn't go down. And the cars just ran into the train. That's weird. What the heck? The car just overshot the gates. Don't want to get run over, car. Oh, that van's pretty slow. Now arriving at the railway station, I guess. Oh, we almost off the platform. Oh well. Are you done yet? Yes, we are. Yay! can arrive at the station now. Perhaps those gates. I don't think those gates will go down. Oh. No wonder, look, I didn't even attach it. Oh, I'm stupid. I'm such an idiot. And look, the cars are just gonna run. Oh, great. I'm a murderer! What? Oh. Curses! It derailed! The faulty switch! What the? Hi. Did you really have to derail again? Yes. Who's derailing? I will derail for all of you. Me too. I want to join. Party tonight. Sure is. Okay, that's the weirdest video I've made so far.